Welcome to our channel. If you want to heal a bladder infection fast and relieve uncomfortable symptoms, follow these step-by-step approaches. Step 1. Increase your water intake immediately to 8 to 10 glasses daily to help flush out bacteria from your bladder. Step 2. Drink unsweetened cranberry juice, which may help prevent bacteria from adhering to the bladder walls. Step 3. Use a heating pad on your lower abdomen to help relieve pain and discomfort from the infection. Step 4. Urinate frequently to help eliminate bacteria, even if it's uncomfortable, and always empty your bladder completely. Step 5. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, spicy foods, and acidic beverages that can irritate your bladder further during infection. Step 6. Take over-the-counter pain relievers like phenazopyridine to reduce pain and burning sensations during urination. Step 7. See your healthcare provider promptly to get a prescription for antibiotics, which are necessary to fully clear the infection. Step 8. Take the full course of prescribed antibiotics even if symptoms improve, and follow up with your doctor if symptoms don't resolve within a few days of treatment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.